I have placed a concrete angel in a window box, and this is my studio, and the air conditioner vents are right there. But forget that those round circles are there. I thought it would be fun to show you the way the light is catching the expression of the little cherub, and that this might be something that you would enjoy doing an interpretation of for maybe a watercolor. It would lend itself very well to watercolor, and you know, acrylic and oil as well. So let me give you a tighter composition there. That's kind of fun. You would note the shadows on the little feet and the placement of the hands. Isn't that fun? This is the base of the window box if you need a little bit more orientation there. So, kind of a fun thing to think about. Bye now.